Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm revealing the best weekly super trend strategy. It's a simple yet super effective approach to catch trends with confidence and clarity. Let us just start with why the weekly time frame matters. Unlike lower time frames, the weekly chart cuts out market noise and gives a clean, big picture view of the trend. This means fewer false signals and stronger setups. So when paired with the super trend indicator, it becomes a reliable system to ride long-term moves and is perfect for swing traders and position traders. Okay. So let us just add the super trend indicator to the chart. We are using the super trend indicator with the settings the ATR length is 10, the factor is 3. Why? Because it smooths out the signals and prevents overtrading. This setting works well across most major forex pairs. Once the super trend flips from red to green on the weekly, that's our cue to look for a long setup. All right. When it flips from green to red, that's our short signal. But we don't just blindly enter. That's where confirmation comes in. All right. So the second step is to get price action confirmation. Before entering, look for basic confirmation from price structure. For long trade, you wait for bullish engulfing candle or a breakout from a previous resistance zone. In this particular example, we can see that we had a bullish engulfing around here. Can you see that? A bullish engulfing around here. And shortly afterward, we had a bullish move, right? So this step filters out false signals and helps us avoid getting trapped in sideways markets. The beauty of using the weekly chart is that these confirmations are stronger and more reliable than on smaller time frames. Okay. Now, with respect to entry is straightforward. Once you get a super trend flip from red to green and you get your price confirmation such as this bullish engulfing, then you can enter at the open of the next weekly candle. So we would have entered around here. Yes. So this gives you clean structure and minimizes the risk of chasing a trade. Then you set your stop loss just below the super trend line. All right. Just below the super trend line for longs, that is for bullish trades. But if this is a bearish trade, let's say you get your confirmation. Okay. This is the confirmation candle. Then this is our entry, the open of the next weekly candle. In this case, stop loss is going to be above the super trend line. Okay, that's in the case of a sell. So as the trade develops, you trail your stop along with the super trend. All right, as the trade continues going your direction, just ensure that you are trailing your stop. As the super trend keeps on, displaying green consistently, you can just allow your buy trade to run until when a red appears, then you exit your buy. Okay, so this is one of the ways to exit, unless if you want to just set your take profit at a predetermined level, and that's fine. You can use resistance zones, for example. Then in the case of a sell as well, you can be trailing your stop loss until when the super trend indicator changes from red to green, or you can use predetermined level as well, perhaps key support zones for your take profits for a sell trade. Okay, so this keeps your strategy mechanical and reduces emotional exits. Now, it's important to note that not every super trend flip is a good entry. And that is why combining it with price action is key. So avoid trading during consolidation or just before major news events. Stick to high probability environments where the market is clearly trending on both the weekly and the daily charts. All right. It is important that you identify clearly trending markets. When you identify clearly trending markets, just ride the trend. Trade in the direction of the trend. All right. It's important. Okay. Also, this strategy works best on a lot of assets. Actually, you can use this strategy across different assets, whether it's currency pairs, stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and what have you. You can feel free to use this strategy across different asset classes. Okay. If you're tired of strategies that require 10 different indicators and still leave you confused, the best weekly super trend strategy might be your answer. It is clean, rules-based, and cuts out noise. So all you need is one chart, one indicator, and a little patience. All right? That patience is very necessary, okay? Because you have to wait for the rules to play out, right? You have to wait for your strategy to show up in the market. For example, you are waiting for a buy opportunity. You have to wait for the green color for the super trend indicator to form, and you have to wait for a bullish candlestick pattern before you enter. If you're waiting for a sell, you have to be patient enough for the color of the super trend to change to red and for a bearish candlestick confirmation, bearish confirmation candlestick pattern to form. All right, so patience is key. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video, if you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more real strategies that actually help you grow as a trader. Drop a comment if you want me to backtest this live in the next video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. In the meantime, trade smart and not hard. Thank you. Cheers.